I want to break down how you can write profitable email newsletters that your patients will love, welcome, and take action on. It all comes down to a teach and invite philosophy. When you're sending email, don't think about sending discount ads, coupons, sales, all this crap that's about you and not them. What you want to do is focus on a teach and invite philosophy. Teach is about education, entertaining, and engaging with your audience. When you lead with that, that gives you the opportunity to invite. That is your call to action. That is the click here to hop on our schedule. Click here to schedule your next appointment. When you teach, you have the opportunity to invite, and people welcome that opportunity. That final word is the toughest for so many chiropractors out there, and that is consistency. You want to consistently email your list at least one time per week with a weekly email newsletter. That's what's going to get you best results. So how can you write profitable email newsletters that your patients will love? Think about it through the framework of teach and invite consistently. That will enable you to reach out in a way that they welcome instead of loathe. You'll find that it's less about sales, more about education. As a byproduct or side effect of that, you'll see that your schedule stays more full. Thank you so much for watching this video on the Smart Chiropractor. To not miss a single thing that's clinically oriented, marketing oriented, or more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel today.